Welcome back, Jessemcdesign here. Today we're going to be taking two of my worlds, hot rods and skateboarding, and smash them together to give you a slam skateboard. Now you may have seen these with the trucks on the top and normal sized wheels and all that. I've done that. I think it looks kind of ridiculous. This is my version. I made my own mini tubs, put longboard wheels on there, and added a little exhaust just for the fun of it. Now these are super low on the ground obviously, but they do roll and you can ride them. I made multiple versions of this. The one with the trucks on top, like I was just talking about, I made a version 2, which was basically an axle that went across the top of the board with the wheels were still just open. And then this is version 3. We're gonna be making this for a customer. I had them order the wheels and the board, so all I have to do is make the trucks and the little plates and the exhaust fit the deck and the wheels. The wheels are slightly smaller than these, so I'm gonna have to take my template and slightly adjust to fit that. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I got it all ready to go, so let's go. Boy. So I still need to do some final touches, but I need to deliver it to the customer, so I won't be able to show you. But basically just need to grind these bolts down just so that looks a little bit nicer. You don't have them sticking out. And then here you can kind of see I ground down those screws just a little bit so they don't scrape. But I want to do it just a little bit more, just so there's that extra clearance. I really love these one-off ideas. They bring two different worlds into one. You know, you can kind of get like that hot rod feel with the tubs. It's lowered, little aesthetic exhaust, and then skateboarding. Obviously, it'd be a sweet project to just maybe ride around a car show, or just cruise down the sidewalk if you really feel like it, I guess. But like I said, they're not the easiest to ride. They do scrape. It's mostly aesthetic, but if you wanted to, car show would probably be best, just kind of putting around. If you enjoy projects like these, knife builds, and some skateboarding, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.